right, we're moving on to our next part of the lesson. So when we read new texts, which is just a big word for stories, we always have words to know. And these words you cannot sound out. We learned a lot of these in kindergarten, and now in first grade you will learn many more. These are the words for this week. I want you to watch this video many times this week, or if you have pieces of paper or cards like this, make your own cards and have someone quiz you. So they would hold it up and you would read it. And if you get it wrong, they'll say, oh, try again, and you'll read it until you get it correctly. And you'll flip through them. Okay, so if you do not have papers to make cards like this or cards, then let me know, 1. And 2, you can always watch this video every day. And when you learn them, you're done. These are our new words for the week. You. Y-O-U. You. You. Y-O-U. You. Play, one of our favorite things to do. P-L-A-Y, play. We did learn this one last year. Help. This is one you can actually sound out, so that's good, but this is a word you see a lot. H-E-L-P, help. Sometimes you help or work with someone to get something done or assist them, and maybe you help your mother cook or you help someone clean. Help. With. With is along someone else. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-T-H, with. B. You cannot sound this one out because usually we say eh. When E is at the end of the word, it does different things. When it's all by itself with just 2 little letters, it's E. B-E-B. B-E-B. Let's quickly go through these. And again, you can watch this video a bunch of times to learn the words. You can pause it. You. Play. Help. With. Be. Good. Those are our words to know for the week. I keep saying words to know. These are our high frequency words. High frequency means these are words you see in so many stories, like throughout your entire life, not just first grade. High frequency words. Words to know are our vocabulary words. I said that wrong. The next thing we're going to do is a very quick warm-up, and we are going to read some words with short A, okay? But first we're going to do beginning sound warm-up, just like we did in first grade. So I'm going to say a word. You tell me the first sound. I know you're not in front of me, but you can say it, and I will pause, or you can pause the video, and then you'll hear the answer. So I'll say the word, you say the first sound. For example, nan. So what is the first sound in nan? Good. Ready? Here's more. Gnat. Yes. Mat. Yes. Tap. Yes. T. Ban. Yes. B. Cap. Yes. K. Ran. Yes. R. Fan. Yes. Very good. If you had a hard time with that, then go back, watch the video again, pause the video to see if you can guess the answer, okay? Now, we are going to start a routine where we read words. And we are going to read words with the A in the middle. And the A in the middle of this word makes it say ah. For example, we read this word d-ad, dad. Ooh. Let's read this word. S-at, sat. Now I want you to redo these. Okay, ready? Now we're doing this line. Just this line of words. Okay? Let's see if I can hold this on there. Mrs. Rudick has better videos from this frame. So sorry, guys. Ready? Here we go. I'm all turned around. Dan. An. Nan. Next line. These got all goofed up and erased. So we are going to rewrite those, and you're going to read this line with me. Man. At. Mat. Can. I paused there to see if you could read it. Now, please try. Pause the video. Read this word. Read this word. Are you ready? Sam. At. Now, let's see if you can read all of these words the fast way. If you cannot, I want you to go back, sound them out, and then come back and read them the fast way. Dan. Ann. Nan. Man. All of those words actually rhyme. Ready? Mat. Can. Sam. At. I am actually going to try to find a book for you on the computer that I can record for you that has these, but I do not have access to the book that we have at school. So maybe I can pick that up and read that one with you. Please practice reading these words with short A, and the more you practice, the better reader you'll become. Enjoy!